Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please. Perfect. All right. Yes. That is good. That is good. All right, guys. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, yes, before starting our session, I just want to confirm you the holidays once again. So yesterday only I said this. From tomorrow onwards, we'll not be having any session. Our next session will be again on Thursday. That is 19th. Call them. Wait. Our next session will be again on 19th. And please don't miss that session. Why? Because on 19th, we are going to discuss about static keyword. Static keyword. Guys, yes, in Java, we are having 50 Java language keywords are there. In all these 50 Java language keywords, static keyword is actually special. Why it is special? Like in how many ways we can use the static? All these particular concepts we'll be trying to start discussing on 19th and 20th. If I need, I will take Saturday also. That is 21st also. So maximum 2 to 3 days we'll be trying to discuss about static. But 19th day, that is very important. So I request you, kindly please don't miss that 19th day. Okay. And one more small thing, guys. Today, I'll be trying to wind up our session a little bit early, maximum by 8:10, 8:05. At that particular time, I'll be trying to close it up. Is it okay for everyone? Like, why? Because I have booked a ticket. So if I try to continue up to the timing, bus along with my wife will go. I will left behind. My wife said that I'll not wait. If you come, I'll wait. I'll take, or else I'll go. She said like that. So I hope you're understanding the situation there. Okay. So kindly please don't mind. No, she said that she'll not wait. Like, I'll go. If you come or no, I don't mind. So it's Pongal time. It's, you know how the traffic will be there. All right. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. So today, yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your wishes. So today, I'll be trying to wind up our session a little bit early. So I hope it's okay for everyone. Please don't mind. Okay. All right. All right. All right, guys. Thank you. So come on. Actually, guys, we started our OOPS concept. Sorry, operators concept. And yeah, as I said, there are mainly 4 types of operators are there: increment and decrement operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. We had covered increment and decrement operators. Yesterday, we had covered arithmetic operators also. Yesterday, you had given, like, I gave you a small task, right? In the task, I requested you to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we can write modulus also. That also will be covered under arithmetic operators. Now, when you're speaking about relational operators, there are 6 relational operators are there, like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Guys, generally, these relational operators, we will be using them in conditional statements. Completed? Conditional statements. Conditional statements means, guys, actually in our Java, we'll be having this concept known as control statements. In control statements, there are 3 types of control statements are there: selection, iteration, and jump statements. Selection, iteration, and jump statements. In selection statements, we will be having if, if else, if, and switch. In iteration statements, we will be having while, do while, for, and for each. In jump statements, we will be having break, continue, and return. So in jump statements, will not be, needing any conditions, but for selection and iteration statements, we need conditions for executing them. For example, of course, like whenever we are discussing about that control statements at that particular time, I'll let you know. But right now, just right now, what? No, Ajit, no way, no way, not like that. Okay. Please don't think like that. Never, never. Okay. Now, so just a sec. Let me try to go with like, okay, right. Fine. Conditional statements. I'm trying to give you a small idea about conditional statements. To be precise, one of the control statement, that is if, open braces, close braces, else, open braces, close braces. So this is one of the control statement. This is one of the control statement. And inside these parentheses, guys, did you remember like in our starting days of our sessions, I said there is this concept known as separators. Separators, parentheses, flower braces, square braces, semicolon, comma, dot. Did you remember that? At that time for parentheses, I said this, guys, inside the parentheses, we will be writing the parameters of a method and we need to give the conditions, I said. Did you remember that? So here, what we need to give, we need to give a condition, D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. So condition in the sense, compiler will be expecting either true or false. Either true or false. So here, if normal English, guys, normal English, if condition is true, normal English, basic English, if the condition, whatever the condition which you are giving, it is true, if block will be getting executed. If the condition is false, else block will be getting executed. Means, for example, guys, can I say like this? Else block will never executes if the condition is dash. Come on. Else block, once again I'm repeating, else block will never executes if the condition is true. Okay, one more statement. Else block will executes only if the condition is, if block will never executes if the condition is, come on, if block will only executes if the condition is, am I clear with this? Perfect. That is good. That is good. That is good. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Okay. For example, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to go with if I, let me go with like int I equal to 0, SYSO system.out.println hi, else SYSO. I'm just trying to give hello, hi and hello. Now my question is, what will be printed? My question is, what will be printed? Hello. Why hello will be printed? Because is this a condition? I hope you're understanding the concept here, guys. That is not a condition, guys. What you are doing there, you are initializing a variable there. You are just like declaring and initializing a variable. That is wrong. That is wrong. If you are exactly trying to write like that, please check this void method one, and here just syso. Just let me try to write method one called, and then if else, and here I'm just trying to write system dot out dot println if block executed, syso high, and here syso else block executed, else block executed, and syso helllo. Hello. If I'm writing like this, now please observe int I equal to 0. No, you will be getting an error. Why you will be getting an error? Why? Because whatever the data which you are writing here, from the data, what compiler is expecting either true or false. But come on, this is not a condition. This is actually initialization of a variable. Am I clear with this? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. I hope it's clear, guys. Right. So I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. Just let me try to write a variable. By the way, what is this variable? Okay, int variable. I'm not saying that like instance, static, or local. It's a local variable. Okay. Now, let me just try to give I value as 10. I less than or equal to 10, or else less than or equal to 100. Now, I'm trying to get the relation between I value and 100. Am I right or wrong? For example, int, okay, let me go with like x equal to 100, and here I'll try to write x. Now, I am trying to get the relation between I and x. Relation. In order to know that, we should be using relational operators. How many types of relational operators are there, guys? 6. What are those? Equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or, I mean, come on, very, very simple concept there. So right now, guys, could you please tell me what is my output right now? Like which block will be getting executed? If block or else block? If block, okay, just let me go with my main method. Now, inside my main method, simply just I'm trying to, okay, new class A dot method 1. Okay, right click, run as Java application, and yes, we will be getting our output, that is if block exited. Why if block exited? Why? Because I value is 10, x value is 100, like I is less than 100. So obviously you will be getting your output. Okay, sir, is it like, can we write any number? Yeah, you can write a number. Okay, for example, guys, I will write 10 like this. Let me remove this. I'll write 10 like this. Now I'll remove this. Check the condition. Check the condition. Check the condition. Now tell me which block will be getting executed? Else block or if block? Right click, run as Java application. I hope it's clear, guys. For example, now, guys, if I want to check whether it is equal to or not, we are supposed to give double equal to, not a single equal to. If you are giving single equal to, that is assignment operator. You are assigning a value. So if you want to check whether a value is equal to some other value or not, we need to use this double equal to. Now tell me, what is output? If block or else block? Now my condition is I is equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. The condition is true. If block will be getting executed. For example, if I write like this, think correctly, think correctly, think correctly. The condition is I should not be equal to 10. Guys, most of the time people will be getting confused with this not equal to condition. So the condition is I should not be equal to 10. Now tell me, condition is true or false? Condition is false. So obviously, which block will be getting executed? Else block will be getting executed. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. So equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, as simple as it is. Did you got an idea here? Please respond. Okay, then do me a small favor, guys. I just want you to write a method. Okay, void. Let me go with like CHECK, check ELIGIBILITY, check eligibility. And here I'm trying to give int age and a string name like that. It's a parameterizer method. Now I want you to give me a logic. For example, just let me, okay, equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, and yep, AOBJ dot method one, and just a small differentiation line. Okay, method one, and then AOBJ dot check eligibility age 35, name. I'm trying to give my name as Kishan, Kishan, Kishan. Okay, now I want you to check whether I am eligible to vote or not. Give me the logic. Write the program. Write the program. Come on, come on, come on. Start. Please have this program. Write method one, and I want you to write check eligibility method also. And please give me a logic. Please give me a logic to check whether Kishan is eligible to vote or not. Go ahead. I just want you to check whether this person is eligible to vote or not. Please. You know what is the ideal age for voting, right? Go ahead. Go ahead, please. Completed? Writing. Please carry on. Carry on. Carry on. Guys, once again, I'm requesting you once if you are done, okay. But if it is not completed, just raise your hand so that I'll know that, or else I'll move on to the next concept. Just please raise. Okay. Okay. Now, logic, very simple. Let me just try to go with like if and else. Okay. If yes, age is greater than or equal to 18. Now, system dot out dot println. Let me go with like name plus as your age is plus age, you are eligible to vote. Okay. Else system dot out dot println, same name. Let me just try to go like this. Name plus as your age is plus age plus you need to wait for another like this. Okay. Let me just try to execute. Okay, right click, run as Java application. So yeah, where is my window? Show view console. And yes, we'll be getting our output like Krishna, as your age is 35, you are eligible to vote. What if I give, let me just try to give one more some other name, SUJT, something name like this. And here I'm just trying to give 15. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Sujata, as your age is 15, you need to wait for another 3 years. So not only just simply printing the data, try to make it more informative. Whatever the statement which you are printing, you just need to make it more informative. As simple as it is. See, here also, I did not use any new concept here, guys. This is not at all a new concept. What is there? It's just a variable. It's a string, again variable, again string. I'm just trying to add. I'm just trying to concatenate. Here, okay, 18. Generally, what is the ideal age for voting? 18 minus age. I hope you got an idea here, right? So anyways, this is one of the uses for relational operators. I mean, a lot of uses are there. Wherever we can use a condition at that particular place, wherever we need to use a condition, I repeat, wherever we need to use a condition at that particular place, we need to use these relational operators. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Online students, can you please respond? I hope it's clear for everyone. Please respond. Please respond. I need your response, guys. Please, please. Yeah, that is good. That is good. That is good. Okay, okay. Now, guys, let me ask you one more small question. For example, generally, what is the age eligibility for writing a government exam? 18. Not 18. I think 22 to 35. 23 to 35. 21 to 35. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, okay. Void. Let me just try to go with like CHECK, check, ELIGIBLITY, eligibility. I'm just trying to write like this. Okay. Now let us cut the, debate, and I'll just try to go with 21 to 35. 21 to 35. Let us think like that. So if the person age is, above 21, below 35, 21 or above 21, 35 or below 35, he is eligible for writing an exam. Am I right or wrong? Okay then. Okay. Now what I'll do, just let me try to take one more method. AOBJ dot check eligible, check government eligibility. And here I'm just trying to give 55. And let me go with like RAM, 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 like this. Or else let us go with Jaju. Okay. And yes, I will be trying to give exactly the same parameters like this. Okay. Now, if I have given, for example, if I give age should be greater than or equal to 21, SYSO, he is, person is, PR as a person is ELIGIBLE eligible, else SYSO, person is not eligible. PRS1, person is not ELIGIBLE, not eligible. If I write like this, okay, let me just try to go with like 15. If I'm just trying to go age as 15, so I'll do one thing. Just let me try to go with name plus is eligible, and here also instead of person, I'll just try to go with like name. Okay, let us execute. Right click, run as Java application, Windows, show view console, and yes, Raju is not eligible. Why? Because his age is actually 15. Okay, let me go with like 25. Right click, run as Java application. Yes, he is eligible. Perfect. Let me just try to go with like 55. Sorry. Let me just try to go with like 55. Now, we are getting our output as eligible, but actually he is not eligible. Am I right or wrong? So how many conditions we need to check? 2 conditions. First condition, age should be greater than or equal to 21. Second condition, age should be less than or equal to 35. In this particular case, we can write one more if. But instead of making the code lengthy, we can use logical AND operator. What is this operator? Logical AND. Now here, let me just try to go with like age should be less than or equal to 35. Now what logical AND will be doing, it is going to check both the conditions. If both the conditions are true, then only your final output will be true. If at least one condition is false, then your final output is false. Okay, now tell me guys, for example, first condition, what is age? I have given age as 55. Tell me, first condition is true or false? False. First condition is true. TRE, true. Second condition is false. So obviously, what is our final output? Final output will be false. Why? Because one condition is true and another one is false. I hope you got an idea here, guys. So right now we will be getting our output as he is not eligible. As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. So what logical AND will be doing? Logical AND is going to check whether both the conditions are true or false. If both the conditions are true, if both the conditions are true, once again, if both the conditions are true, then only your final output will be true or else false. Sir, for example, I don't want to check both the conditions. I don't want to check both the conditions. If at least one condition is true, let's go. Chalta. No problem. In that case, we need to use OR operator. Logical OR. What logical OR will be doing, if at least one condition is true, go, enough. Your output is true. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now tell me, in this case, what is our final output? Your final output will be true. So right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output again as Raju is eligible. So guys, please tell me, logical AND. What logical AND will work? How logical AND will work? Both the conditions should be true. Then only final output is true. How logical OR will work? If at least one condition is true, enough. Our final output will be true. Now, logical NOT. Logical NOT. What logical NOT will be doing, logical NOT. It will alter your result. It will change your result. For example, if your final result is true, logical NOT will change it into false. If your final result is false, then logical NOT will change it into true. Right now, what is my output? Tell me. Exactly. Right now, as I'm using logical NOT, it will convert true into false. So if the condition is false, what will be getting executed? Come on, if block or else block. Hey, come on here. Right click, run as Java application, and yes, else block will be getting executed. As simple as this. So there are three logical operators are there. Three logical operators are there. First one, logical AND. What logical AND will do? It will check both the conditions. If at least one condition is false, your final output is false. Logical OR. It will check, of course, it will check the conditions. If at least one condition is true, enough. If at least one condition is true, or guys, literally you are giving OR. If at least one condition is true, your final output is true. What logical NOT will be doing, logical NOT will alter your result. As simple as this. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Could you please have this small method for me, please? Go ahead. Just this method. You have already written this method, I guess. Yes or no? So please have this. Please have this method. Enough. Please, please. So Ganesh, once again, I'm saying you, logical NOT will alter your result. It will alter your result. Okay. If your condition is true, if you are using logical NOT, it will change it into false. Siddharth, we cannot use a single ampersand. That's not possible, buddy. Okay. Okay, Sai Kaladar, you're asking, sir, when are you going to start import scanner? Right. Sai, we are going to start that concept whenever that concept comes. Wait. Please wait. Please wait. Don't go in a hurry-burry manner, okay? Please wait. A lot of things are there, guys. A lot of things are yet to be covered. Okay, Satish, sir, we are eagerly waiting from morning, sir, for your class. Please continue class up to 8:40. Satish, trust me, how much you are waiting, even I am also waiting for my code. Like, I'll be waiting for my class. You just don't know that how many times I will have fight in my home. Okay. So anyways, today is not possible, Satish. I sorry for that. Okay. I apologize. Why? Because as I said today, like as I'm going to my hometown, I'll not be able to take the class up to 8:40. Regularly, we are taking our session there, right? Up to 9 o'clock, I think we are guessing. So today, Satish, I hope it's okay for you. Kindly please don't mind. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Siraz, which is your hometown? Elur, near to Vijayawada. Complete? All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. And guys, I wish you a very happiest, fantabulous Pongal. Enjoy with your family members. Have a great festival. See you again on 19th. That is Thursday. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for wishes, online friends. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See you, guys. See you. See you. Yeah, Afroz, we can do that. Why don't you just check that, please? Just check that, Afroz. You'll understand. Okay.